Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Calculator and define how much you need to earn $1,000 monthly. To begin with, imagine you want to earn $1,000 every month from dividends. This monthly amount is your passive income goal, and it helps you understand how large your dividend investment portfolio needs to be. Next, because dividend yield is usually calculated on a yearly basis, we need to convert the monthly income target into annual income. So, $1,000 per month multiplied by 12 months equals $12,000 per year. After that, we use a simple dividend formula. The required portfolio amount equals annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. For example, if the dividend yield is 4%, we use 0.04 in the calculation. Now, let's calculate how much investment is needed at different dividend yields. At a 2% yield, $12,000 divided by 0.02 equals $600,000. On the other hand, at a 3% yield, you would need $400,000. Then, at a 4% yield, $12,000 divided by 0.04 equals $300,000. Whereas at a 5% yield, the required portfolio becomes $240,000. Similarly, at a 6% yield, you would need around $200,000. And at an 8% yield, the required amount becomes $150,000. However, it is important to understand the risk. Lower dividend yield usually means you need more capital, whereas higher dividend yield means you need less capital. But very high dividend yields may sometimes come with higher risk, unstable companies, or possible dividend cuts. Therefore, a smart investor should not only chase high yield. Instead, it is better to focus on quality dividend stocks or dividend ETFs, check the payout ratio, review the dividend history, and consider taxes, fees, and market conditions. In addition, reinvesting dividends can help your portfolio grow faster over time. Regular review and diversification can also make the dividend income plan more stable and realistic. So, the fast answer is this. To earn $1,000 monthly in dividends, you need about $300,000 at a 4% yield, $240,000 at a 5% yield, or $200,000 at a 6% yield. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Dividend yields are not guaranteed, and actual income may vary depending on taxes, fees, market movement, and company performance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.